NewTREND, new integrated methodology and tools for retrofit design towards the next generation of energy-efficient and sustainable buildings and districts. 7 countries, 13 partners were involved in the project. The objective of the project is to improve energy efficiency of the existing building stock by using a new integrated design methodology and tools for retrofit design, establishing energy performance as a key component of refurbishments. The IDM is intended to support the stakeholders throughout the project life cycle, from the early initiation and concept phases to the implementation and post-occupancy phase of the project, in a structured and systematic manner that considers the required communication and participation mechanism between all involved stakeholders. The project has defined a representative set of use cases to ensure that the NewTREND methodology will meet all the required functionalities for the different potential users. The retrofitting solutions are evaluated considering their impact on 3 levels: environmental, social, and economic. The involvement of the stakeholders happened through different models of participation, like specific focus groups, local advisory team meeting, face-to-face interviews, and thematic workshops. The objective is to outline innovative performance based on business models for refurbishment and define specific incentives in connection with the NewTREND KPIs as a suggestion for the decision makers involved in retrofitting projects. The collaborative design platform is the front-end software tool and the main interface for users. Here takes place project creation through a CTGML file. This step is crucial as it is functional to all the project activities. To create a project, it is required the input of time scope, project name and description. Users must also input the district file and the accepted format is CTGML. This file gives a basic description of the project scope and can be completed by BIM models. Buildings can be seen in 3D and their features navigated. After uploading district and building files, project planning can really take off. Simulation can be run with different modes, depending on the level of detail of input data. Users can simulate buildings and districts at their current state to assess and predict current energy behaviors or create new potential scenarios to assess and predict the potential improvements in energy efficiency. A big portion of the CDP is dedicated to the visualization of simulation results. The main simulation output is building and district KPIs that describe the performance of a given scenario from energy, economic, and social point of view. It is possible to give a priority level to every category, and also to each key performance indicators. Moreover, several visualization tools are offered to help the user analyze scenarios, giving a prediction on energy consumptions, comfort, expenses, etc. Users can create new potential scenarios. The Data Manager is a web application developed to assist in the data collection process of a retrofit design project. It is accessible via the web browser and scalable to be accessed by portable devices. The Data Manager's core functionality is to assist in the collection of data required for the creation of a BIM model of the existing building and neighborhood. In the Simulation Design Hub take place dynamic simulations and calculations to create future retrofit scenarios. Users can display in the CDP the results of the dynamic simulations. Simulation supports retrofit design and decision-making along the retrofitting process. The NewTREND methodology and tools are validated in real refurbishment projects in Hungary, Finland, and Spain. The case studies provide a fundamental contribution for the validation of the integrated design methodology at a real scale, by addressing all phases of the refurbishment process. The involvement of all the stakeholders in the design process is evaluated, and specific activities were dedicated to inhabitants and users. Move towards the next generation of energy efficient and sustainable buildings and districts.